Every single second, a brain makes thousands of connections, processing and transferring impulses in an agile and precise manner. Inspired by its functioning, at Paack, we have upgraded our distribution centres, connecting pioneering robotics to our team's experience. An authentic logistics brain that helps improve the quality of our service, increasing both productivity and efficiency. And just like a brain, everything starts with an input, which for us is a parcel. This is processed in the sorting area, a large space specifically designed so that up to 230 robots can work simultaneously. After that, the parcel is classified depending on its destination, and later it is collected and transferred to the dispatch area. At this stage, it will be assigned to their respective driver. It is now ready for delivery. Let the journey begin.